Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ban pensulur ya ka Jingpule kot katanat arts and culture da ka jiatre lang bat kawe ka kanhun kan sa penbiang ya kawe ka kali kit kot ka ban kit ya ki kot Pule ha kali Kylleng ka sor Shillong kanang baki samla bat ya ki bala he lasan Kiba Ïeid ya ka Jingpule kot kanang bakindup yo ya kalat ban Pule ya ki kot Kiba pasa bat Kiba a jingmentoy ya kanila pentip do menteri ka sarkar jala uba khmi ya katanat arts and culture uba polling do hak jiang kran bat kilat pathai gubor hak artarek ujemang arajar arpsan uba polling do ulai thu ba hak jialang perkhat kam kabalalong hak sitarek ujemang arajar arpsan la shimrai ban pleno ya state of the art museum bat ka library auditorium complex hau banai jilio mentausnam bat hakju kapor katanat kala menjuru ban shana artli ki cinema hall khanang ban yarap ikenong shana film hakani kajela.
I took a review meeting yesterday and it is with great elation that I would like to share with you that a state-of-the-art museum at the library auditorium complex will be inaugurated in the month of June this year, and I call it state-of-the-art because we use the latest technology, and a visit to this museum would help for visitors and people of Meghalaya to unravel the mystique, the beauty, the history, the culture, the various trades, life of people in the villages, all are being displayed at this museum, which will be functional by June this year. In order to cater to the needs of the public, especially to cater to the local film industry, we are entering into an agreement whereby 2 more cinema halls in the state capital we will commence work soon. One, of course, is already ready, which is called the Black Box, located at Lariti Complex, New Shillong, and the other will be at the library auditorium. Once this project begins, the library auditorium will be shifted to the current site located at Relbong, which when the state assembly is shifted hopefully by September or October this year, we should be able to shift the auditorium to Brookside, which is under the custody of the Department of Arts and Culture. We have already received sanctions to upgrade our library, and roughly around 2 crores have been sanctioned for the upgradation of our library, State Central Library, and also to inculcate the reading habit. We are also working with an NGO under the banner of Kali Kitkot, which is a vehicle that is mobile and has a library attached inside of it. We undertaken 3 visits to the site because we'd like to pay more attention to all details, making it PWD friendly is a priority which we have achieved. Giving it the look, there will be various features including one particular area which will be dedicated to kids. There will be a cafe, there will be a house constructed in the Shillong style, meaning the old Assam type house. So these various activities involve a lot of aesthetic value to be added to them, and therefore it took a lot of time. But as I said, we are nearing completion, and by June this year, we should be able to make it functional. Envision a plan of setting up more cinema halls across the state, beginning with halls belonging to the Department of Arts and Culture at Jawai and Tura within the current fiscal year. And the other state district headquarters will be covered subsequently. The department is also moving ahead with the resumption of land belonging to the Department of Arts and Culture at the Tribal Research Institute, Maulai, and plans are afoot to complete the shifting of the CRPF camp to New Shillong, and this will happen hopefully by Ïeid. The Tagor Museum I'm happy to inform you that work has now been handed over to the MTDC, and the museum will be constructed at a cost of around 14 crore rupees, and already work has been allotted to Prakhat Hing to undertake this particular work. So these are major developments taking place in the 2 departments. So I'll share this with you that Meghalaya is the only state which has a government sponsored OTT platform. No other state government has done it, and the OTT platform named O Meghalaya has become very popular, and today it has a global audience. All movies made in Khasi Panar and in Garo are screened, songs, music videos are on display, and therefore it's a major initiative that the state government has taken up to support the artistic and musical fraternity.
Will you be initiating a state award for movies every year to encourage the film fraternity?
Yes, we are considering this very seriously, and once a cabinet draft memo is ready, we will take it up with the cabinet. We undertaken 3 visits to the site because we'd like to pay more attention to all details, making it PWD friendly is a priority which we have achieved. Giving it the look, there will be various features including one particular area which will be dedicated to kids. There will be a cafe, There will be a house constructed in the Shillong style, meaning the old Assam type house. So these various activities involve a lot of aesthetic value to be added to them, and therefore it took a lot of time. But as I said, we are nearing completion, and by June this year, we should be able to make it functional.